The jungle is warm and full of sounds. I've been walking since sunrise, and now I see a shadow ahead. Let's take a closer look. The paw prints are wide and deep, and I hear a roar in the distance. 3, 2, 1. It's a tiger! Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, like fingerprints. No two are the same. The stripes go right through their skin, and they're perfect for hiding in tall grass. A tiger can leap forward more than 6 meters in a single bound to catch its prey. A rustle above me. Something jumps from branch to branch. 3, 2, 1. It's a monkey. Many monkeys use their tails like an extra arm to grab branches or food. Some species even groom each other for hours to keep clean and strengthen friendships. They can travel over 3 kilometers a day just looking for fruit. The leaves move without wind. Something is sliding through the grass. 3, 2, 1. It's a snake. They use their tongues to taste the air and find prey. Some snakes can open their jaws wide enough to swallow animals bigger than their head. A loud trumpet echoes through the trees. The ground shakes a little. 3, 2, 1. It's an elephant! Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles and can pick up something as small as a berry. Elephants can communicate by sending low rumbles through the ground. They even remember watering holes for many years. Branches snap nearby. Something big is moving slowly. 3, 2, 1. It's a gorilla. They build a fresh nest every night from leaves and branches. A silverback gorilla can be twice as strong as the strongest human, and they often hum softly when eating their favorite plants. The trail ends at a muddy riverbank. I see eyes above the water. 3, 2, 1. It's a crocodile. They can hold their breath for over an hour while waiting for prey. The trees open into a sunny clearing. Something tall is eating the leaves. 3, 2, 1. It's a giraffe. Their necks have the same number of bones as yours, just longer. A giraffe's tongue can be up to 45 centimeters long and is dark to protect it from sunburn. Heavy footsteps crush the grass ahead. I see a large horn. 3, 2, 1. It's a rhinoceros. Their horns are made of keratin, the same material as nails and hair. Despite their size, rhinos can run faster than a horse over short distances. They often roll in mud to protect their skin from sun and insects. A splash of bright color flashes between the trees. 3, 2, 1. It's a toucan. Their beaks look heavy but are actually light and full of air pockets. Toucans toss food into the air and catch it in their mouths. Their bright colors help them recognize each other in dense forests. The jungle grows quiet. A pair of big eyes watches me from the shadows. 3, 2, 1. It's a slow loris. They move slowly to stay hidden and avoid predators. Slow lorises have a special gland that makes venom, which they mix with their saliva. Parents sometimes lick their babies to give them a venom shield. A shadow sneaks between the trees. Quiet, careful. Who could this jungle hunter be? 3, 2, 1. It's a leopard. Look at those beautiful spots. Leopards love to nap high up in the trees. the trees, a shadow swings with long arms. Gentle and clever. Who is it? 3, 2, 1. It's an orangutan, the true person of the forest. Their arms are so long, they can touch their toes even while standing. On the forest floor, sniff, sniff, sniff. A funny nose wiggles in the dark. What is it? 3, 2, 1. It's a tapir. Cute and a little silly. Tapirs are so old, they've been around since the time of dinosaurs. Whoosh! A stripy-tailed shadow leaps across the path. Can you guess this jumping friend? 3, 2, 1. It's a lemur with its long, bouncy tail. Lemurs live only on one island, Madagascar. A shy shadow hides in the forest. Dark body, stripy legs. Is it a zebra or something else? 3, 2, 1. It's an okapi, the secret forest giraffe. Its tongue is so long it can even clean its own ears. Yuck! Wait, was that a leaf or a shadow? Tiny, still, hard to see. Can you spot it? 3, 2, 1. It's a chameleon, the master of disguise. Chameleons can move their eyes in 2 different directions at once. By the river, a calm, round shadow rests in the sun. Who could this friendly animal be? 3, 2, 1. It's a capybara, the world's biggest rodent. Capybaras are so chill, other animals love to sit on their backs. Careful. By the water waits a powerful shadow, stronger than the leopard. Who is this? 3, 2, 1. It's a jaguar, the king of the American jungle. Jaguars love water, and their bite can crush a turtle shell. The jungle opens to a sunny field. A royal shadow with a fluffy mane stands tall. Do you know this one? 3, 2, 1. It's a lion, the king of beasts. Lions live in families called prides, and their roar can be heard miles away. As the sun sets, a giant shadow rises from the water. Huge mouth, tiny ears. Who is it? 3, 2, 1. It's a hippopotamus. Hippo skin makes its own pink sunscreen to stay safe in the sun. Our jungle adventure is done. You guessed so many shadows today. Great job, explorer. Rest now, because more jungle fun is waiting for you next time. Surprise! We've arrived at the farm. Look around. So many animals are hiding in the shadows. Can you guess who they are? Come along with me. Let's play shadow guess. A fluffy blob on legs? Is that a walking pillow? It's a sheep. Sheep spend their day chewing grass. But when summer comes, the farmer gives them a haircut. Snip, snip. Their wool turns into cozy sweaters for us. Thank you, Mr. Sheep.
You're welcome. Stay warm, kids. Bye.
Big body, long horns. Is this a dinosaur in disguise? Nope, it's a cow. Cows love grass and give us fresh milk. Imagine this cow saying,
Ooh, enjoy the milk, kids. It helps you grow tall and strong.
Small round belly. Could it be a balloon with ears? It's a pig! Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool. It looks messy, but for pigs, it's like jumping into a swimming pool. Tiny body? Skinny legs? Is it a dancing robot? Nope, it's a chicken. Chickens love to peck the ground, looking for food. Every morning, the rooster shouts to wake up the farm. Long face, tall body. Is that a unicorn missing its horn? It's a horse. Horses are gentle friends. Farmers care for them, and they often become part of the family. Pointy horns, tiny beard. Is this a mountain wizard? It's a goat. Goats are great climbers, even on rocky hills, and they're curious eaters. Sometimes they try to taste things that aren't even food.
Yum, yum. Uh-oh. Not so tasty, but yum, yum.
Round body, flat beak. Is it a floating toy? It's a duck. Ducks waddle on land, but swim like champions in water.
Quack, quack. Wanna swim with me?
Big round body, fan-shaped tail. Is it a feathered fan dancer? It's a turkey. Turkeys puff up their feathers and make a sound called gobble gobble. Only the males can do it.
Look at my feathers, kids. It's beautiful, right?
Long ears, tiny nose. Is it a hopping mystery? It's a rabbit. Rabbits use their strong back legs to hop far and fast. Their ears help them hear danger quickly. Floppy ears, wagging tail. Is it the farm's guard hero? It's a dog! Farm dogs protect animals and bark to warn the farmer. They're also loyal friends who love to play. Long neck, webbed feet. Is it a noisy parade leader? It's a goose! Geese honk loudly and march in groups. They stick together and help guide each other. Big ears, strong body. Is it a farm helper? It's a donkey. Donkeys carry heavy loads and walk with steady steps. Slow maybe, but never giving up. Pointy ears, sneaky pose. Is it a quiet shadow? It's a cat. Farm cats sneak around to catch mice. They're quiet hunters who keep the barn safe. Small head, wide wings. Is it a flying letter? It's a pigeon. Pigeons always find their way back home, even from far away. That's why they were once used to carry messages. Each animal has its own special role. Some guard, some guide, some just make us smile. Great job guessing, little explorers. See you next time for more Shadow Guess. Shh! Something is moving in the deep. Can you guess who's hiding in the shadows? A tall fin, sharp and strong in the dark water. What animal could this be? It's a shark! Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for more than 400 million years, long before dinosaurs. A curved shadow leaps high above the waves. Who could it be? It's a dolphin. Dolphins talk to each other using clicks, whistles, and even playful jumps. 4 flippers. gliding gracefully in the deep. Which animal is this? It's a sea turtle! Sea turtles can live for more than 80 years, slowly exploring the wide oceans. 8 long arms curl and twist in the shadows. Can you guess? It's an octopus. Octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change their colors and shapes in an instant. A giant shadow, the biggest in the sea. Which animal is this? It's a blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals ever known, even bigger than dinosaurs. A tiny creature with a horse-like head, floating upright in the sea. It's a seahorse. Seahorses are one of the few animals where the dads carry the babies. A 5-pointed shadow rests on the ocean floor. What animal could this be? It's a starfish. If a starfish loses an arm, it can slowly grow a new one. 2 wide wings spread like a blanket in the sea. Which animal is this? It's a manta ray. Manta rays are gentle giants. Some grow as wide as a school bus. 2 long claws and a hard shell crawling on the seabed. Who is it? It's a lobster. Lobsters keep growing all their lives. Some can live for over 50 years. A small striped shadow hides in a coral home. Who could it be? It's a clownfish. Clownfish live safely among stinging sea anemones. Their special skin keeps them safe. A playful shadow slips and slides through the waves. Who could it be? It's a seal. Seal. Seals love to rest on rocks and ice. But in the water, they move like quick little torpedoes. 2 long tusks rising from the icy sea. Who could it be? It's a walrus. Say it with me. Walrus. Those tusks aren't just for show. Walruses use them like hooks to pull their heavy bodies up onto the ice. A long twisting shadow wiggles through the dark water. What animal is this? It's an eel. That's right, eel. Eels can swim backward as well as forward. Their slippery bodies help them hide in tiny cracks and caves. Eight arms and 2 even longer tentacles, stretching out in the deep. Who am I? It's a squid. Squid. Squids can squirt out a cloud of ink. It's their way of escaping when danger gets too close. A tall black fin rises high above the waves, strong and bold. Who could it be? It's an orca. Orca, the killer whale. Orcas live in family pods. They hunt together, sharing food and working as a team. A sharp shadow darts through the water, its nose long like a sword. What animal is this? It's a swordfish. Can you say it too? Swordfish. That sword-shaped nose helps them slice through the water, swimming faster than almost any other fish. A long spiral horn glimmers in the icy deep. Who could it be? It's a narwhal. Narwhal. That horn is really a giant tooth, growing straight from its head. Some call the narwhal the unicorn of the sea. A glowing light shines in the darkest deep. Who could be hiding behind it? It's an anglerfish. Say it with me. Anglerfish. That little light is a lure. It tricks other fish to come close, and then snap. A gentle shadow drifts slowly through the warm waters. Who could it be? It's a manatee. Manatee. Manatees are so calm and peaceful, people call them the gentle giants of the sea. Two sharp claws and a hard shell crawl across the seabed. Who could I be? It's a crab! That's right, crab. Crabs walk sideways, scuttling quickly to hide under rocks and sand. Tonight, you uncovered 10 more secrets of the sea. But the ocean is endless, and many shadows still wait in the deep. What wonders will we discover next time?